These are the elevators at the Fairview office building in Silver Spring, Maryland. These are armor modded by ThyssenKrupp. Only one of them serves this bottom floor. At least I think this is armor. GAL maybe, but the font to me looks like armor. But again, I do not know. But you know, this is ThyssenKrupp. I can tell because of this, and just the placement of the buttons and the styling. The bezel's a little thicker. Excuse me, that was a sneeze. Pollen is very bad outside right now, so I'm sure you can imagine my pain. Didn't re-level that time. Button caps are gone on most of these. 4 and 2 are the only ones left. And the alarm. And the phone. Engineer's office. Interesting. This is elevator 1. 2,500 pound capacity. The phone is on the panel. Would have loved to have seen these original. I guess this doesn't want to work. I think there was a floor lock out. Here's the other one. So this one only serves the first floor, doesn't go down all the way. One doesn't close when you push the button. Button cap's broken. Same with the open. Very dated cab. Of course, it still has all the code crap on it. It's Montgomery County. Ironically, this one, the button cap is actually on one. You would think that would be broken off because one is the button that's pushed the most. So that's interesting to me. Damn it. Go, go, go. Never mind. That's a different sign. Actual certificate holder is still there. Looks like that might be a floor lockout. That's called cancel. This is elevator 2, 2,500 pounds. Same deal with the phone, it's on the panel. Here we are back at 6. Random office is just open. There it goes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.